In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly import any Notion template in 2025. This super easy tutorial will have you up and running with the perfect template in no time. Let's dive right in and explore how to do this efficiently. To kick things off, head over to the Notion website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to get Notion for free. Go ahead and click on that. Notion provides a variety of options for you. Whether you're using it for personal projects, school, or work, this step will get you started on your journey. Next, select the Continue with Google button. This option is particularly handy as it streamlines the sign-up process, using your Google account both as an identity verification and as a login method. It's quick, efficient, and saves you the hassle of setting up yet another new account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the marketplace. This section is the treasure trove of templates brimming with designs suited for just about any purpose. By clicking on Marketplace, you are opening the gateway to explore and choose among a multitude of templates crafted to assist you in organizing your projects or personal tasks. For the purpose of today's tutorial, we're diving into a practical example, so click on the template that catches your eye. For this demonstration, I've opted for something from the Work Marketplace section. This will serve as a great illustration of how templates can be tailored to help manage professional endeavors efficiently. Now, take a moment to scroll through and select a template that suits your specific needs or preferences. This selection process is crucial as it ensures you're picking a template that complements the structure and style you're looking to implement. Don't rush this. Explore the variety so you can choose the one that truly stands out to you. Once you've made your selection, click on Add. This simple click will initiate the process of integrating the template into your Notion setup, making it accessible whenever needed. The seamless nature of this action emphasizes just how user-friendly Notion's interface is. Finally, you have the choice to add this template to a workspace or keep it private, whichever aligns with your goals. If you're planning to collaborate with a team, adding it to a workspace is ideal. For personal projects, the private option will serve you best. Make your choice, and with that, you should have your template imported perfectly into your Notion account. And that's it. You've got a new template at your fingertips, ready to help streamline your tasks or projects. Whether you're a seasoned Notion user or just starting out, these steps ensure a hassle-free process of importing templates. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with Notion.